Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the tutorial of Big Vova B. This is Codeforces round number 669, division 2, second question. So you are given a positive integer sequence a1 till an. You can rearrange them to make a sequence b1 to bn, and your task is to find the sequence c1 to cn, which is lexicographically maximal, where ci is the GCD of the first I numbers of the sequence B. So the question is very straightforward. As the constraint on n is 10 raised to 3, you can easily pass the test cases in O(n) square time complexity. Hence, you can iterate over all the elements. So let me open. Okay. So suppose the sequence given is 8, 3, 5, 2. Find initialize GCD to 0. Iterate initialize I equals 0 and iterate till n. You need now take the GCD of this number, iterate over all the n numbers and take the GCD of the jth number, j equals 0 to n, of the jth number with the current GCD, which is 0, so it will be 8. Find the maximum of them and put the array this. Now visited of this is 1, so this is a visited array which will be initially 0 for all. That means these numbers are yet to be visited. Now our GCD would be 8. Iterate over them, GCD will be 1, GCD will be 1, GCD will be 2. This is the maximum, visit is 0, so put this number here. Now this becomes 1. Now new GCD is 2. So now iterate over the numbers, it is 1, it is 1. So just put their numbers in any order you want. I have put them in the least order, you can put them in any order. So you got the point. So now let us look at the code. So here is the code for this problem. We take in the number of test cases, we iterate over all the test cases, we take the input, the number size of the array, we take the array numbers from the user, then we initialize the GCD to 0 and a visited array to 0, then we set all the visited components to 0 just to be safe. Then we run this loop n times so that we get n numbers. We initialize our answer to 0 and an answer index. We initialize a loop variable from 0 to n, and if this number is not visited, then we check if the current GCD of this number with the old GCD is greater than the current answer. If it is, then we set the new answer to this and the answer index, that is the number to be printed, to this. And otherwise, if it is equal to answer, I print out this so that B is also lexicographically smallest. That is not needed in the question though. Now visited answer index of 1 so that we don't visit it again. We print this number and set the new GCD to our answer so that in the next loop this new GCD is taken into account. Now if we have reached the end of the array, then print a new line, otherwise print a space. That's all. Thank you friends for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe my videos.